How to add Robux to Roblox account. So first I'm going to show you how to redeem gift cards and codes. To do that, just simply click on the top right icon here, or the Roblox icon here on the top right. Then click on redeem Roblox codes. Then it will bring you right here, and what you need to do now is just simply input the code that is given on your gift card your or your virtual gift cards. So just simply put the code right here and click on this checkbox, and now just simply click on redeem. But alternatively, if you want to buy Robux and not just gift cards, what you can do is just simply click on the Robux icon again and click on buy Robux, and it will bring you right here on this page. And now you could just simply pick on the options right here. You could either go with this one, or you could go with the premium memberships or the monthly memberships right here. So you just simply need to click on subscribe now, and now you just simply need to pick any payment method, let's say credit card or debit card. You could also redeem your Roblox card right here, as you can see, and it will bring you to this page right there. Now, once you've entered the details, just simply click on subscribe, and the Robux will be automatically added to your account. And that's how you basically add Robux to your Roblox account.